Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, June 16th. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile SPY IWM Triple Qs. And we talk about this a lot. You know, the market is so fragile and these algos just all over the place the day of the Fed. A lot of times it takes the market a night to digest what was spewed out. And right now, they are projectile vomiting what the buffoon had to say yesterday. Now, I said the line in the sand for me was the yearly low, yesterday's low and the 14th low. We've traded below it right now in the pre-market, but as you can see, we're between both of them. Again, there's 75 minutes to go, but trading below yesterday's low by a little bit, but above the yearly low. So as you can see, look at this as we're forming basically a B-shaped long liquidation, or whoever went long, as they're puking it out this morning. That goes for all three of us. So this is a really, really important level. If it's one thing to take out the yearly low, it's another thing to get acceptance below it. If we get acceptance below it, like I said, there's nothing. There's four more lows of all of 2021, and we have two of them are monthly lows. One's a weekly, one's a daily. So things could get kind of treacherous if they get acceptance below the 14th low. Overnight high right now, 381.71, and the overnight low is 369.44. Now remember, SPY goes ex-dividend tonight, so you can get some of those, especially at this level, bottom feeders, trying to see if this level is going to hold to get paid for the dividend. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It's going to be anywhere probably between $1.35, $1.60. So again, you might get that kind of bottom feeding buying, especially at the lows this morning, if they think they're going to hold this level to get paid for the dividend tomorrow. And it will distort the profile from the ES. Right now, at this level, can you take a long? Now, for sure, you would be opening with lower value, but can you take the long against the bottom of a 3-day balance and the yearly low? Sure, you can. Again, I would have a stop on it, because below the 14th low, our next low is 368.22. So that's, again, over $2 away from from Tuesday's low. So I'd keep that in mind. On the flip side, if in the next 75 minutes we're looking to gap below both yesterday and Tuesday's low, I'd be taking a short. And then you could use one of two outs back inside of Tuesday's range, or when you fill the gap. Okay, remember we had a price probe yesterday firmly being rejected, and we'll see if this excess is going to hold come 9:30 this morning. So those are two early plays, right? If we get back inside of yesterday's range with acceptance, well, guess what? There will be nothing until the 10-wide POC. Okay? Remember, the POC was going to be, we talk about this so many times, how when we have a POC 9 or wide more, whatever the destination is, it always seems to be the following side the next morning. So it was going to be a downside destination. Now it's clearly an upside destination. And then on the chart, just going to show you the daily. So here we are. We said it was a 3-day balance. They dipped their toe into that large gap. It was still very large. You have the very large gap above us. So again, they're attempting to come out of this 3-day balance to the downside. Do they get acceptance? That's the key word. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. Good luck trading, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.